undefined. This is just the freaking worst. IDs. I hate this because then you got to do a flat map, and you got to say ID. We got to say ID. That's what you got to do. Then you come in here and say IDs. I don't have a better way of doing that. It's really annoying. Okay. Contains badge by category. So we get all the badges within a category, get all their IDs, and we check if any contains. Okay, cooked. Contains badge by category. So we can come back up here and say contains badge by category, cooked, const, return, cooked, add. That doesn't make too much sense. That doesn't make too much sense. No, I guess it may. New user created. Let's go. That's how we cook, guys. That's how we cook. Add badge. What does this thing want? It wants a badge key. Eh? Get a habit streak badge to add. Badge ID. There you go. Badge. No, that's cool. I just want you guys to know that I love that we have about roughly 80 people all listening to Rihanna while we're programming. What else could you ask for in life? Contains habit to absolute hype. Add badge. Habit. What does this do? Get habit streak. Captain. You are not wrong. Is that wrong? I don't think that's wrong. I think it's almost a full year, dude. Thanks for your continued support, man. I hope all is amazing for you. We're over here cooking away to some. Well, now who we got? What we got? Fake Rihanna on now. We had real Rihanna. Now we have fake Rihanna on. Not as hype as real Rihanna, but not far from. Not far from either. I'm just calling it as I see it, Willie. Just calling it as I see it. Okay. I'm a little lost in the sauce here. Habit. Get habit. So yeah, we're calling this badge to add. Badge to add. Why don't we just do this? Ready? Badge to add. Return dot badge. cooked, guys. Absolute cooked. Okay. Gonna have tiers. Let's do this. Get all. Include. Badge. So now we got the badge. Is 15 months almost a year? I feel like it is. I feel like it's almost is kind of a weird word to use to describe that. But is that wrong? That's the question. Is if you overshoot something, yeah, that's an almost. I think. I think. What are you gonna do? Oh right, check it. Habit streak tiers, blah 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 blah. Add. Await this dot. Don't do it to me. This dot add. Badge. Okay. What the hell kind of error is that? Huh? I mean, I'm not hating on those vocals. Those are good vocals. I mean, they're no Riri vocals, but those were good vocals. I don't think anyone would debate that. It's just we're kind of Riri biased around here. Twitch scam. Captain, do you get Twitch scam in your channel? I got to admit, his infrastructure is pretty good. I've got to admit. He's got the account generation down. He's got the timing down. He obviously kicks it off at 6 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, there you go. Every day around 3 a.m. I'm around 6 a.m. He's got a decent system down, if we're being honest. It's pretty damn reliable. In fact, he hasn't missed, or they haven't missed in a long time. They did have a couple bugs here and there that they've since recovered. There was one time where they would follow me twice, but only scam me once. Or spam me. That's the term. Did I get your comment redeem? No. And does that cost money, by the way? Where's your comment redeem? Oh, no. Okay, I know what you're talking about. Comment redeem. No, I didn't see it. Crap. Let me look. Wait, I see it. Okay, I got it. I'm with you. I am with you. Right up here, the top of user badge. There's this new feature, guys. I'm pretty sure it's Akira doing it. Classic. Coder. Date. Boom. Done. There's this thing. Dude, I keep looking at like my post-stream stats, and I've been getting paid by some feature called experimental. Are you highlighting text and paying bits for it or something? I don't even know how the feature works. But the category is experimental. Because there's this message effects, select effect. Right? Oh, that costs bits? Oh, I put how many bits it costs. I thought those were channel points. First of all, thank you for that. I had no idea, dude. I literally had no idea. I thought those were channel points. I literally went in and set that to 500 because I thought that was a reasonable amount of channel points. Bruh, that's way too expensive. That is way too expensive to do that. No, I want, but hey, I will never turn down bits. Bro, I would have made that like freaking like how many bits should I make it? What's the appropriate bits? 50? Like use away. I will never discourage someone to toss me some bits. You know what I mean? I'm literally updating that right now. I had no idea. I like them. 50 bits. I think my minimum is um I don't know. I'm saying this to 50 bits though. Why not? There, I've updated them. Dude, well thank you Akira for using that. And anyone else who's ever used it, I literally thought those were channel points. So people were donating me $5 at a time, and I just sat in silence when people did it. I apologize if that happened to anybody. I would have. Well, thank you, Akira. I deeply appreciate it. I to be completely honest, I think that's a pretty cool feature. I think that's a pretty cool feature. I know people have turned it off. Why? I don't know. I don't know. I think it. I mean, I think it's worth people's while. But what do I know? That's cool. That's a cool feature by Twitch. Charging bits for. I, I wish you could get a little bit more. I wish they had more. I wish they had more. Cool experimental feature anyway. Damn. All right. Well, anyway, let's get back to coding, shall we? Badges to add. We're so close, guys. We're so close to finishing this. I just need this one thing to work. Kumar, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. Optionally add Captain. Let's go. Dude, well, I want like a dude, I want an alert then. If someone's gonna pay me bits, I want this the I want something exciting to happen. You know what I mean? I want an alert on page or something on OBS. I'm gonna have to just keep my eyes peeled. Thank you for that, Captain. Okay. Yo, Kumar, how we doing? Okay, badge to add. You're gonna get in big trouble. Get all. We convert it. What's your problem? We convert it. Oh. Guys, we're done. We're done. I thought we nailed it. I thought we nailed it, guys. Oh my god, why do I do this myself? Get constants dot get badge. Don't you do that to me. What's your beef? Key. Badge. Badge. Key. Badge key. Done. We've done it, guys. That's why people want to say, well, you don't get alerts. They don't show up on mobile. Oh, they don't show up on mobile either? Total. Okay, I'm totally with that. Like, my whole thought is if someone's going to donate to me, yeah, I want the flashing lights. I want the things I want the noises. I want the screen to light up. And I want to thank the person, right? So I can get down with that. Remove. I don't even know what this looks. I don't even know what this looks like, guys. Remove by category, I suppose. Oh wait. What does this do? I'm just gonna do this. Console. I don't care. I'm just deleting it. I'll deal with that later if it comes up. I'm deleting this one too. Have a good day. No, I'll keep it. Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready? Command center. Akira's account is going down, guys. We're going to capsize his account right here. Update all badges for user Akira. Oh, I spelled Akira's name wrong. Update all badges for user Akira. Here we go. Updating all badges. Sure. Great. Let's try someone else. Wait, hold on. It didn't add your tier. No, it didn't work. Badge service. What in the hell? Optionally add habit streak tier badge. Console. Well, log. Okay, cooked. Here we go. Update all badges for user Akira. Okay. There's your streak. There's all of our badges, and there's the tiers. Where in tarnation did this thing fail, guys? Where in tarnation? Uh-oh. Guys, I saw on the social media, I think JT's in a little bit of trouble. A little bit of trouble, Rooski. Consman. Who wrote that? Who wrote that? Who wrote that, guys? It sure wasn't me. That was Copilot, guys. I would have never have written that. That was not me. That was Copilot. I cannot get in trouble for that. Update all user. All. Oh, you're the worst. Here we go. Oh, wait, why'd you get two? Why'd you get two? Why'd you get two? Oh no, you got one. You got one. You're an epic, dude. You're an epic. All right. Do you want me to actually do it now? User badge service. Okay. Okay. Here we go. I am ready, Justin. I am ready, Justin. I am ready, Justin. So it's just it should say removing and then adding. There it is. Ready? Watch this. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show, my friends. Look at everybody getting logs. Look at everybody getting logs. Everybody's getting logs. How funny are the logs, guys? That's the thing, Lieutenant. Is I kind of like the logs. I kind of like the logs. I'm one with the logs. Okay, well, we'll deal with this part later. What we really need to do, update all badges for user. Update all badges for user. Boom. Cool. Cool. Let's send this ish over user DAO. Export const user includes. And then what else do we need? We need then hopefully I can just do this. Cool. This way I can start just adding it in one spot. It worked. It worked. It did work. Now we're getting ready to send it to the front end. What in the hell is this? What in the hell is this? Don't know. Don't know. I was gonna say, I don't know what that thing is. This is what I'm trying to replace. So I made this include user includes. That way interesting. Hmm. The point is I want to start just defining my includes right here. And then that way, if I need to add something like user badges, I just add it. Because I guarantee you, there's going to be. I guarantee you there's going to be some includes in here. Right here. See, watch this. User include allowed properties. That's a good one to look for. User includes. All right, Twitch scam. I gave you a compliment today. Don't overstep your bounds. I already complimented you. I said you built a nice system. Did you remove the roles though? That's part of the user includes. Allowed like this. User includes. Let's go look at those one more time. Roles. It's probably not a big deal to return roles, right? Like I don't think we care if the client can see somebody's roles. Do you think that's a bad thing? I don't think so. I don't think, I mean, they can't do anything with it. The only roles is literally admin or user or free in premium. Like those are the only things you could do with a role. Allowed. User includes. Allowed. User includes. Allowed. Allowed. Man, see how many places I'm having to update this? User includes. I know, Lieutenant, it's crazy. But that's why we pulled it out. Last one. So if my calculations are correct, this thing should just absolutely work. Here comes the tough part, guys. To the front end we go. Start service sushi cooks. And she cooked. So let's go to the front end. Let's see here. Okay. Badge. Belt. This is the old, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is the old. Let me start this. Let me start this up. Tragic, tragic. Yeah, this is a banger tune. This is an absolute banger tune. I would never. Look at that. You're so close to a habit streak. I got the logs, guys. Guys, if you don't have this app yet, scan this QR code and download it. And you too can have the logs. You too can have the logs. Dude, that premium icon looks so much better, dude. God, that looks good. That looks good, man. That's all I can say. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? That's clean. That's clean. I gotta here. We gotta go to If you don't have a description, then we need to or bio. That we don't want to show a bio section. Yeah. Here's a bio. And boom. Oh, because it's not actually built yet. Don't worry, we'll get it all reconciled. Badge belt. Watch this, guys. First of all, let's do this. Console.log user.badges. Come on, give it to me. Come on. There, look at there's his badges sitting right there, guys. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. So now what do? We create a generic badge. It's that easy. It's that easy. User badge. User badge. User badge. Aww. Aww. User badge element. Sure. Go ahead and cook it. User badge element. No. Yes. Fine. User badge element. What is a user badge? It has a badge, and what does a badge have? A badge should have an icon, which I don't think it does yet. Yeah, that's probably a better way to do it. Uh Zealotous. Yeah. I don't usually do that, but why the hell not? User badge as user badge data. I don't know. What would you call it? Data? User badge props. It's not props though, is the problem. It's an object that's used inside props, but it's not props. Properties of a badge. Yeah, true. Badge data, no. Where the hell's badge data come from? Oh, this is gonna be so sick, guys. Watch this. Const optimal image. Oh, let's just do this. Data of type optimal image data. Watch this. Dot 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 user badge dot badge dot icon data. That's it right there, guys. Look, I'm deleting all my badges. Deleted all my badges. Goodbye, badges. My app's gonna have a freaking heart attack with everything I just deleted. And I love every minute of it. What a song. What a song. Yo, your tonk was good. No, you're right on schedule, baby. User badge. I've looked at the word badge for so long today that I kind of forgot. Or it just looks like a weird word to me now. Have I ever been perplexed? Very, very rarely. I'm just kidding. All the time, every day of my life. There it is. Look how simple and stupid it is, guys. And that's the whole point because it's freaking data driven. Now it doesn't work. What does this thing need a premium badge for? Crap. I'm perplexed, Yatonk. I don't know. What do you mean you can't find premium badge? Okay. Guys, there's Akira's profile. Watch this. I know one more thing I need to do yet. User badge. Watch this. User DAO includes user badges. See, this is why we do this, guys. Include badge include icon. Icon true. Oh, you're the worst. What's wrong? Thank you. You absolutely nailed it. Thank you. Okay, so now watch. All right, guys. I think it's time. I think it's time. Let me just kind of look for a minute. Badges, user, badge, icon is what? What's an icon? Yeah. All right, guys. This is an absolute Hail Mary. It's a calculated Hail Mary. It's a calculated Hail Mary. Get your votes in. When I refresh Akira's profile, will the badges display? Will the badges display? What up, Albert? Install code spell checker extension. It'll save you time. Okay, that's good to know. Get your votes in. Get your votes in, guys. I'm going to refresh this profile, and either the badges will show or they won't. How good at programming are we? Are we really good or are we pretty basic at programming? Get your votes in. Get your votes in. That's a lot of confidence. And yes, there's nobody who wants to vote no and get all those points. No, but you all think it's going to work. You all think it's going to work. I'm impressed with your confidence. I'm impressed. I'm honored. I'm honored. Be careful with null pointer exceptions. Thank you. Thank you. It blew up. It didn't work. I told you guys not to trust me. Premium. It's going to work. It tried to find the local image. It's going to work, for the record. It tried to find the local image to display it, and for some reason, premium. We need to figure out why it didn't like premium. Because it's called premium badge. That's why. That's why. So if I go in here and I make one called premium, I think this will do it. I think this will do it. RJ's got the logs. RJ's got the logs, guys. RJ has the logs, guys. Fleece doesn't have premium. I do have premium. Oh, yeah, because I didn't do everybody's profile yet. I've got the logs. Akira's got the purple freaking flame. No, we're not going to show the logs. We're not going to show the logs. But it worked. That is data. That is server driven tags, guys. Do you think I should include the badges, this badge data, every single time I fetch a user? It's probably not the end. It's probably not a terrible idea. Oh yeah. It's saying, dude, we're just server driving it. I don't know what any of that is. What up, Tom? How we doing? All right. I don't know, just size of data and also nested joins. How bad of that is? How bad is that on the like on the response times and on the payload size? Why don't we go look see how large a payload is? Wait, why is my server crashed? Oh, because that's not where the server runs from. How large is a user? 2K. Like, is that a big deal? I mean, geez, this one's 1, 2, 3. This one's almost a meg, dude. Is that for real? That seems like it's a pretty large response. Doesn't it? I don't know what's large and what's not. Anyway, for the prediction, it didn't work. I'm deleting it again. I'm deleting it again. It worked in terms of what we were trying. I just had a typo. Like, what I was interested in is the server going to respond the badges, and is the badges, are they going to be ready to display? Okay, I had an enum named wrong. That's not like that wasn't the fun part of the challenge. So I'm not going to lose anyone's points on that, but I'm not going to win anyone's points on that either. Like that was just crap. And it gets especially weird when no one else votes the other way. So like no one would have won anything. Like I'm not just going to lose everybody's points on a stupid technicality. All right, so the next thing is on habit streak. So this is an interesting one. The on a record habit streak one is a little interesting. This has been a longer streak than using the app. You're the worst. You're the worst. Use the app. Achieve your wildest dreams. I better see your day posted. So yeah, we don't want the logs for the record. You're kind of a newbie. Are you using Mac or Windows? This is Windows, and it's NeoVim. And I just use OBS to sort of align my screen here. Doing a paid survey. What's the paid survey for? How do I do it? User badge. So check this out. Watch this. Watch this. Select star from badge. Where's the logs? Delete from where ID equals 10. Delete from badge where ID equals 10. Done. They are expensive. They are expensive, but boy are they fun to use, dude. Update all badges for all users. Update all badges for all users. Oh, come on. Badges for all users. Okay. Oh, it broke. Why did it break? Screw it. Delete star from user badge. That's a good one. Ah. Where's the syntax error? Delete from. What? There it is. Noctiscene, what's up? Thank you so much for the follow. All right, here we go. Update all badges for all users. Oh, come on. What now? Habit streak tier? Damn, I guess I did need it. No. 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 It's not a habit streak tier. I should have left it. Insert into badge. ID. Oh, this is pissing me off. I've got a design flaw. Oh, specifically interacting with the database. I got a design flaw, and I don't know what the correct answer is. Badge is not necessarily. What is a badge? What is a badge? A badge is, yeah. So badge ID, it actually should probably be. So my problem here is I have a habit streak tier called logs. That's true because right here, your habit streak tier could be the logs. Jeroen's, if you go to Jeroen's account, he'll have the logs. So will I. Problem is, I'm using a badge to associate the tier with an icon to put right here. The problem is, it turns out not every habit streak tier will have a badge. Now, I could easily just not display the logs, and that would be fine. But it's wrong. I could give it an optional icon, which is, oh, it feels like it feels more correct and it feels very overkill. Feels very overkill. So we are going to insert describe badge. I think I'm just gonna give it a badge ID and not assign the badge ID to anybody. Cause that's another join to the same object. It just seems like it's a lot. It just seems like a lot. Describe badge. Insert into badge ID. Oh god. Um Yeah, but it gets worse because when deciding what badge the person needs, I need to do get all habit tiers except for the lowest tier, which is just weird. So they're kind of oddly joined. Kind of oddly joined. But let's keep cooking. Let's keep cooking. Because we don't want to assign them the badge of a log. So I could say get all where badge ID is not null. Yeah, right. Okay. We'll probably do that. Um it just it I don't love it, but I think it's fine enough. I think it's probably the best of our options. I don't know and I don't know what would be better either. So logs is ID at 110. Logs ID 110. So insert into badge. Let me just get us back to where we were. Insert into badge. Icon ID. Wait, no, so it's not a badge. It's not a badge. Schema. Prisma. So this habit streak tier. Icon ID. Index icon ID. Okay. So we do that. Common. Nope. Server. I see strong cooking. I see strong. What's up, strong? Scripts. Push DB from prod. See if that still works. It does. Cool. Now I need to push this change to planet scale. Create deploy request. Deploy changes. Google server. Okay. So now that we have that. Oh, Rizarshi, do not apologize. Hope you're doing well, dude. Describe badge. Okay. Did it deploy? Describe habit. Streak. Tier. Habit streak tier. Where are you? Cool. Icon ID. There it is. Update. Habit streak tier where ID equals 1. Where ID equals 1. Update habit tier set. Badge ID equals null. Icon ID equals 110. Boom. What on earth are we listening to? Cool. Okay. So now we go to user badge service. So habit streak get all with badge. Where, come on. Cooked. Boom. Okay, get all with badge. Perfect. Command center. Update all badges for all users. Okay, there it goes. It should be removing the logs. I don't know why it's not removing the logs. Why is it not removing the logs? Oh, because I deleted them manually. I deleted them manually. I already deleted them all. So I don't know why. I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, we're gonna clean out some users soon. Here we go. I got the logs. Okay, RJ does not have the logs. Akira does have the logs or the fire. No, it's okay because I just it's a total refresh, so it deletes them all and restarts it. Okay, so now, so that's good. The question is, should these icons be a second query or should I include them with the user? I think it's probably fine to include with the user. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we definitely need to do the padding still. We used to have padding. We used to have padding. Badge belt. First of all, we need a key. Badge.id. Okay, there's our badge. But we want to do right padding on, or left padding on every single one. No, right padding. We'll do right padding on every single one. Done. Done. Okay. Now, you could compress that 4 to a map. That I believe. Okay. So next is this thing here. Honest. So I need to get this. So I have two options. One, I can get all. So the question is, no, no. It's gonna be an endpoint. We're gonna return from the server. User ID, habit, streak, tier. Triz, what's the benefit of that? Of doing that versus a for loop? Oh, this is music. Bro, focus. Can't you hear that boom 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 boom? Don't tell me you can't hear the boom 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 boom. Less code. We'll go take a look. User ID. Server. That's my favorite quote. If our biggest problem is the number of lines, and I would argue the map, in my opinion, a map is more, you got to think a little bit deeper. A for loop, bro, we've been writing for loops since ninth grade. You know what I mean? We can write a for loop. We could read a for loop, nice and readable. Okay. What up, Mo? How you doing? All right. So types, requests, habit, streak types, X. Okay. That said, Triz, I appreciate I appreciate it, dude. Yo, RJ, I see you, bro. RJ, we got you on the logs, dude. We got you on the logs. Okay? We got you on the logs. We had the logs tied to your profile. We removed it because every new user would have the logs. Not yeah, and not that you're a new user, but every new user would have the logs. So we don't want to just spam anything in your badge belt is supposed to be a premium thing. It's supposed to feel premium, look premium. You should be honored. You should feel honored and proud about it. So like no one wants the logs. You know what I mean? Get habit streak tier response habit streak done. Good morning. Can you put me in the right direction for a laptop for programming and maybe some gaming as well? Budget is 25. Uh I can't speak to gaming. So no, I probably can't. I'm probably not the guy to recommend anything. For programming, 100% MacBook. 100%. But for gaming, I don't think Macs are that good at gaming, so I can't speak to it. Okay. Server, user latest. Watch this, guys. Here we go. Habit streak tier service. Okay. The fact that Copilot keeps assuming my user IDs are strings is A, offensive, and B, like read the code, bro. I've never had a user ID that's a string. Get for user. Const user equals user service dot get by. Uh-oh, do I not have a get by ID? How? How? ID. Dude, I don't think I have a get by ID after what I just said. What the hell? How do I not have a get by ID? That's actually crazy. Bro, user latest. You're telling me all these people aren't using IDs? Yeah, user ID, completed challenges. Do you not go and get the user? No, you don't. Okay, what about you? Do you get the user? Oh, no, no. Do you get the user? Yes. Get by ID. Oh. Ew. That's crazy. I've never had to do this. Um, Public static async get by ID. You want to learn React? Dude, React is so dope. Or React Native you want to learn? Even better. Even more dope. Done. Done. Get by ID. I'm over it. From where did you learn programming? I went to college to learn programming. What was your first programming language? Java was my first. Good old Java. Give for user. Const response of type get habit streak tier response cooked. Do I offer private lessons? Oh, no, 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 no. You don't want private lessons from me, my guy. You don't want private lessons from me. I just kind of fumble and mumble through this stuff. In fact, I wouldn't even recommend private lessons for anybody from anybody. I would just keep working, keep reading, keep watching videos, keep learning. You don't got to pay someone for private lessons. They ain't going to help you more than you can help yourself. Oh, wait. Yeah, totally. Like, someone's going to be getting paid. You don't even have to pay for courses. You don't even have to pay for courses, dude. It's so free and it's so available. And as I saw, I'm sure y'all are familiar with the streamer and YouTuber Low Level Learning. As I saw him tweet yesterday, something to the effect of, you don't get better at programming from reading. You get better at programming from programming. So just get to the keyboard, baby, and get typing. Blast some keystrokes. You get better from both. I got fake better from reading. No, it actually derailed me horribly because it made me get into writing clean code, which was the worst thing that's ever happened. Service exception. Reading caused me to go down such a crazy road of like clean code and test driven, like unit tests and shit. Good to see you, by the way, Ryan. You were thinking 2014, where literally everything is web UI, that we'd have a text area that grows with input. Yeah, that would be a dope feature. Wonder why there's not. Devin's gonna take my job, guys. Devin, guys, a lot of people are sleeping on Devin. Devin's gonna be really good at programming. Don't sleep on Devin, guys. I'm just kidding. Screw Devin. Loser. Okay. We have a user. To get the habit tier, let's go to user badge service. Okay. Add badge. Get habit streak badge. That's close. It's close. Okay, it's close. Private. Put the privates at the bottom. All right. User ID. Number. Nope. Nope. ID. I'm coming up with something, guys. I'm coming up with something in my brain here. I never know if you should pass the object or the object's ID, because there's pros and cons to both. If you pass the object around, you have more things available. But the downside is you need to always go get that object, when sometimes all you have is the user ID, and that's kind of all you needed. It's an interesting trade-off. Are we migrating the server? We migrated the server. This badge, this flame, straight from the server. Straight from the server. You've had over 1,000 students to date, and 90% of them could not learn programming on their own. Main reason, how can you know where to start? You can't. No. How do I pronounce this? Belouzis. You kind of do need somebody to give you like that first nudge, perhaps. But like 12-second tangent, 12-second tangent, 12-second tangent. How to learn computer pro. Let's see what this says. For free. Code Academy. I mean, I guarantee you Code Academy can get you there. What else we got? How can I learn? Here's the first Reddit post. I've decided to pursue a career in IT field. I haven't decided on what profession, blah, 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 blah. Free Code Camp is a great resource. Seems legit. Came here to say this. Absolutely the way and shortest path to be deployed as a web dev. Adding the Odin project. Let's go Odin project. Exclamation mark Odin. Boom. We support the Odin project. Oh, don't tell people to get certs. So yeah, I don't look, as somebody who got a formal education, I went the distance with the education. I didn't dislike it. It gave me a template with a teacher to speak to and students to speak to and homework assignments, and it got me a job. But God, what I've learned from sitting right here ripping on some keystrokes versus that, I learned a lot more. I don't dislike formal education. Will I send my son to college? Now that's the question. That's the question. I don't know. Obviously, if he wants to. Will I urge my child to go to college? That's the question. I don't know. I don't know. That boy's going to be on the keyboard like tomorrow. Okay. Your 3 years of electrical engineering, mainly statics, dynamics, physics, and all the math, really helped give you a mind for problem solving. Yeah, I don't disagree at all. I had a great college experience. I had a wonderful, boom, 4 years, boom, you got a job. Living in freaking a new state. I'm in an apartment complex. It was a good run. It was a good run. If he wants to be a doctor, well, no, dude, he has to take over my industry. He has to take over my industry. Yo, what's up, Louis? Which is going to be a woodworking industry. Are you about to leave? Not yet. No, we're trying to cook this. We went on a little bit of a tangent. We haven't been tangenting lately, so that was pretty. That was a pretty controlled tangent. That was a pretty controlled tangent. We'll take that one. I do now, but back in the day, I used to. When I graduated, I went and got an apartment. Then I bought a duplex. Here, if you're not in a house and you want a good way to do it, I can tell you the good way to do it. Buy yourself a duplex. Check this out, guys. Austin, Texas, beautiful area. Bought a pretty poopy duplex. Lived in half, rented out the other half. My contribution to the mortgage, including interest, including insurance, including taxes, escrow, 300 USD a month. 300 USD a month to live. The duplex, I can't recommend it enough. If you don't have a home and you are looking, or maybe will one day be looking for one, just saying, consider the duplex option. It worked wonderfully for me. Well, yeah, but you need to pay for those everywhere, right? I'm just talking the actual like the homeowner specific costs. Duplex. A duplex, you don't know what a duplex is, it's two homes connected. Two homes connected. But it's the same property. They paid 90% of my monthly payment. And then when I moved out, guess what? Guess what I did? I rented out the other half. And then I was making $1,000 a month to have the thing sit there and have people live in it. Not a bad gig. Not a bad gig. Ultimately sold it because I don't know. Probably shouldn't have. But I did. And here we are today. The thing that got me down on the rental was absolutely the maintenance. If you own rental properties, you have two options. You can do the work, which when it comes up, which it will. Or you can pay somebody too much money to do the work, which hurts your heart because replacing the outlet because it went bad doesn't cost $375 USD. It costs $2.80, probably closer to like $8. It costs $8 in 15 minutes of time. But do you really want to drive to the rental property and replace it yourself and get a screwdriver out and say, "Hi, tenants, how you doing? And let me change this outlet for you." Do you want to be the person to do that? It's not the most fun, especially on your Saturdays when you work all week and now it's Saturday and you want to do something. Oh, wait, this person's outlet's not working. Now you got to drive to the duplex. VR, let's go. Welcome in. Yeah, fire alarm testing. Well, because that's not how rentals work. If you're renting somewhere, the landlord's required and responsible to maintain the household. Okay, focusing. But to wrap that up, if you're intrigued in the rental lifestyle, a duplex is a wonderful first property. and it will serve you well. Consider it. Back to coding. Favorite. This is my all-time favorite song, by the way. Get Habit Streak tier. Get all. Get all. Louis, how we doing over there, by the way? Async. Get all. Cooked. Get all. Cooked. You think there are investments today which will give you the same amount as rental pays for the amount of the value of the house going up through all the... There's pros and cons to everything. There's pros and cons to everything. There's not one shoe that fits all when it comes to home ownership, rentals, renting yourself. There's not one shoe that fits all. Your landlord is not renovating the third room you have. You would like to use it. You pay for it, €550 per month, but the floor is so uneven. He says he's busy. Damn, dude. Yeah, no doubt, VR. That's how we do it here. The best of tunes. Okay, can't have a streak tier. So we're going to get all. Context. Okay. Then we're going to get this. Get Habit Streak user ID. Number. User ID. Done. Get Habit Streak tier. Okay. Return. Boom. Const. Return. Cooked. Wait, nope. Nope. Yes. Yes. I did dye my hair. I can't believe you caught me, Luch. How's it look? Just don't look back here because there is none. Worst part is there's a huge issue in Canada with foreign investors buying up all the real estate in Canada. They passed a law last year or so to stop the sales. Damn, that's crazy. You're doing fine last weekend. Your girl didn't stay over. Oh, no. Too exhausted? Oh, God, dude. TMI, bro. Come on, bro. You had a much free time. How we doing? Dude, we're doing good. Grinding away at this feature. Makes you look youthful. Yeah. I'm totally kidding. I didn't actually dye my hair. But hey, I'll take the youthful look all day long. Okay, get for user. So now we go back to user latest. Get for user. Boom. That's going to cook that. It's going to return that. So user ID / habit streak tier. Okay, great. That is finished. Start server. Boom. Okay. Now what are you guys thinking? You're thinking, oh man, he needs a front end custom hook using leveraging a Tanstack query to get this value out, doesn't he? You're absolutely right, I do. So let's go and do that. Okay. Using NeoVim for a long time feels natural. Hell yeah, dude. That's what's good. That's the only way we cook, dude. We only cook with NeoVim. 100%, dude. All right, guys. This is about to get crazy, okay? Let's see if we're in the right spot. Let me drop the title and see if it disappears. It did. Great. Okay, we're in the right spot. So, habit, streak, controller. Hell yeah, we already have one. Export, function. Guys, are we having a good time or what? Use, habit. Yo, strong. Thank you for all your help over the last couple days and in general, but especially over the last couple days with these icons, dude. The icons, bro. Dude, Strong cooked all these icons, guys. Strong cooked every icon we got. Let me show you what Strong cooked. Let me show you what Strong cooked. Guys, look at this. Oh my God, I'm about to do a double shout out. We got Akira the Dev built this entire website, built this entire admin panel. And then Strong built all the icons. You see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 icons, dude. Shout out to the squad, man. Shout out to the squad, guys. You can't make this stuff up. You can't make this stuff up. I don't want to break Akira's heart here. I don't think you can delete tags, but that's okay. That's okay. It was still a good run. Everything else works so beautifully. You know what? I just realized, guys, you want to know how much Akira cooked on this? I can't even make this up. Yeah, I didn't want to do it to you. But I figured you'd want to know. We're good. I could have fixed, so in code I fixed an issue where this should have been premium. Remember we did the prediction and it failed? If this was premium badge, it would have not failed. And I was like, damn, I gotta change it in the database. I'm too lazy. Didn't have to. I could have came to the admin page and just merely modified it. Yeah, I'm using WSL. I don't like my dot files. You want to use this, dudes? Put a 1 in the chat if you know who Mulroy is. 1 in the chat if you know who Mulroy is. I don't see enough ones. Dude, Mulroy he's a goat of many facets. Definitely shoot that boy a follow. Okay, watch this. Use habit, streak, tier. Boom. Habit, streak, tier. Boom. Habit, streak, tier, response. Habit, streak, tier, or undefined. Absolutely cooking over here right now. Response dot habit streak tier. Thank you so much. What in the hell are you upset with? What in the hell are you upset with? What in a 0? It's because we're returning a 0. What a nitwit. Return undefined. Okay, cool. So this is going to be okay. I guess we're putting this over in. Damn. Guess we're going to user controller. Does Embedder suck your battery? Hell no. Hell no. We have some of the best battery usage of any app. Oh my god, who put this tune on? Absolute banger, dude. Absolute banger. Yeah, have a streak here. Resident DJ, of course. Get user habit streak tier. So this is user um tier. User ID habit streak tier. Cake absolutely cooked. Suppose we'll just move this then. I don't know. Don't know what to tell you. Guess we're putting this over in the user controller. Don't really want to. Use. Then I'm going to prefix it with user. Ah! Where'd it go? No! Livid. Absolutely livid. Use. Oh my goodness. With the freaking undo key. Use. User. Habit streak tier. User. User controller dot get habit streak tier. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, absolutely cooked. Absolutely cooked. We need an invalidate then. Async. Invalidate. Use it. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, baby. Cook for me. Thanks for the cook. Okay, great. User habit streak tier. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, who needs this? Who needs this? We need. Oh god. Oh god. On habit streak. Okay, this is the moment everybody's been waiting for. This is the moment everybody's been waiting for. Streak tier, habit streak. Every single person in this chat has been waiting for this one moment. If you haven't, if you don't realize it, you just didn't know. You just didn't know. User custom hooks.use habit streak tier boom cooked. If dot data return a null we gone habit streak tier cooked. What's your beef with me? Does not use remember. What the hell happened? User. Okay. Oh, I see what happened. I anti-cooked. I anti-cooked. Export. No. Const interface. Impl props. Wow, I don't even know what that is, dude. You sent me the world's dude, bro. You sent the world's longest link. Have a streak tier. Oh my god, this all goes away. This all goes away, guys. Minus maybe this. Impul props. Habit streak. Is current user title. We do want that. Watch this. Watch this. What does habit streak tier have? Badge, background color. That's all you need. Great. Um, background color. Habit streak tier dot background color. Green. Purple. Because I know it's gonna be there, so I might as well spice things up a bit. Purple. Okay. Get title. Crap. Crap. Criminy. Guys, we're cooked. We weren't supposed to be cooked. We played ourselves. We played ourselves. I don't know if they're on their habit streak or not. Screw it. Wait, what about whatever happened to good old simple habit streak? This'll do. It's not my favorite, but it'll do. Simple habit streak tier. Simple habit streak tier. Okay. Simple. It's not my favorite, guys. We're doing too many queries now. If anyone's not trying, in how many days can they kill Vercel? What do you mean by kill Vercel? What's good, Mono? Welcome. How we doing? Happy Friday. Oh man, all right. You came right in time as we're debating using a DTO. Say the name and the man shall appear. My brain is freaking fried with this. I don't really want to. Let's just do it. Export. Um, it's been a week, but a good week. That's huge. That's what I like to hear. 2 giant apps, refactors done and dusted. Nice, dude. Congrats. Would love to hear that. So that's fine. And then, okay, I think that's actually probably fine. Oh no, I'll always release because we're working Saturday anyway. So who cares? No, I use the same PC for both, and that's why it explodes every like 12 days. Ah, okay. What do we care about from this? Okay. Um, no, I don't have a Mac. I'm on PC. So we want badge icon. Nope, this is overkill. Don't overthink it, guys. Am I right or am I right? User habit streak tier. Get user habit streak tier. User habit streak tier. Cooked. Cooked. Just don't do it again, Louis. Cool. Client. So we go back to the server. Because this is LSP restart. This type shouldn't exist anymore. Thank you so much for your finding. Okay, where's our error? Where's our error? Get user habit. Great. Um, get for user. So this is gonna do two things. How do I get simple? Detailed habit streak service. That gets simple. What does it want? What does it want? Nailed it. What the? Okay, guys, we're cooking here. Stay with me now, guys. Stay with me now. Simple habit streak equals. Okay, come on. Boom. Stay with me now, guys. Oh, don't you do it to me. Uh, I've had that for like you. I've chatted with you like probably 10 times since I turned my desk around. But at some point, I did exactly what you said, Drive. Okay, guys, we're cooking here. What if you want to lay down while you're here? Then you can now not stand. Stay with me. Stay with me. Okay, so watch this. Const user. What's going on? Const user habit streak tier of type user habit streak tier equals, guys, stay with me. Don't. There's a song I'm thinking of, but I can't think about it because I'm too dialed. Const promises. Promises. This sounds like a banger alert. Await all. Simple habit streak. And then what else? No, no, no. What are you doing to me here? Bah. How do I type these things? I don't know how this keeps happening to me. I gotta type these things somehow. But why don't I have to type it there? It's just weird. I don't know. This is my favorite song. Okay. 8 o'clock. We're so close to Vic Roy here, guys. Does this thing not know what it is? If throw new service exception. User habit streak tier. Oh my goodness. How do I solve this, guys? It doesn't know which is which. I don't know how, but it doesn't know which is which. I gotta type this thing somehow. Someone's got to know how. I did it in here before. I just got to find it, I guess. We literally just had this conversation too. I just don't know why I'm not typing it anywhere else. Like, why do I got to type it here? Just weird. My eyes are burning. Probably from staring into the light for the last ever. Okay. I can't go into Google for this. And when I say Google, I mean ChatGPT. How do I type a promise.all? I need to type the responses in TypeScript. It doesn't know what, so I'm doing promise.all on these two promises here. Oh, I remember what I had to do last time. I for some reason when you inline them it works. Watch. I don't know why, but I bet you that works. Yeah, I don't know why, and I don't even give a crap. That's the answer. You got to inline them for some reason. All right. Boom. There you go, Fubar. No one knows what nobody knows what we're doing. We're just absolutely spraying and praying around here. User have a streaked here. User have a streaked here. Go ahead. Compile for me. Come on. Yes. Okay. Next. On. Widget. Down, down, and early around. Here we go. You. Streaked here. Okay, we're back on the front end, guys. We're back on the front end. Okay. Habit streak. Habit streak tier dot. Oh, guys, we're so close there. We're so close, guys. We're literally so close. User habit streak tier dot habit streak tier dot background color. We have more errors yet, but just 3 more. Fix the fix for both category and icons. Also use autoplay. Awesome, dude. Outstanding, dude. Outstanding. Habit streak. Nope. Oh god. Watch this. Optimal image. Delete in this thing. User habit streak tier dot habit streak tier dot badge.icon. Done. I thought. Hmm? What happened here? Okay, let's see here. Let's do it up here. Const icon of optimal data equals okay, and then we come down here. No one wants to know how many SIGs you had today. Horrible. Any word on the privacy under negative? No, no, no. It's somewhere. It's somewhere in there. It's somewhere in the prio list, dude. We're right now we're working on getting people logs, which is gonna be hilarious. Icon habit user habit streak dot simple dot current. There's another error. User habit user habit user habit user habit. Come on. User habit streaked here. That fixed it. That fixed it. All right, guys, here we go. All right, put a 1 in the chat if you think it's going to work automatically. There's no chance. I just want you to understand that. There's no chance. Let's do a quick little prediction. There's no chance this works. Is there anybody going to vote that it's going to work? Is there anybody who's going to vote it will work? I'm telling you right now, there's no chance it works. Get your votes in. Get your predictions in. Get your channel points in. Get your channel points in, guys. Get your channel points in. There's no way this works. You're going to lose your money if you vote yes. You're going to lose your money if you vote yes. You're going to lose your money if you vote yes. You're going to lose your money. There's no way this works. Here we go. All right. And here's the deal. I'm not talking about a typo. I'm talking about the architecture. Here we go. Akira. Didn't work. Didn't work. Didn't work. Didn't work. We tried so hard, guys. What happened? Habit streak tier. Just to be very clear, you can go back in the VOD and check. I said there is no way this is going to work. You will lose all your money. Data is undefined. Why is data undefined, guys? Why is it undefined? Oh, because here it is. I found it. What the? I found it. It's gonna work. I bet you it works now. I bet you it works now. It was a stupid typo. It was a stupid typo. Why is it still mad at me? Get user. There it is. Okay, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it's there. We got to return the icon yet. Oh my god. That's not triggering me. I get sick to my stomach if somebody talks about writing unit tests. Disgusting. I would literally never write a unit test. Oh god, Fubar. Oh god, Fubar. I don't know what you want me to say, Fubar. Akira, how quickly can you refund Fubar? I don't know what you want me to say. My dog ate all the dog treats and I'm mad at her, so I haven't bought more yet. Okay, get current. Get all. Include badge. Which is not enough. Include icon. I don't know how that worked. Thanks, dude. All right, here we go. Give me the icon. Why didn't you give me the icon? Icon ID is null. I mean, no, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, yes, it is. Badge. Where's badge? Where's badge? Oh, we'll probably ship today. We'll probably ship today. Absolute banger. Absolute banger. No way. We got a new cheer from Model. Let's go, dude. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Way to set it off on a Friday, dude. Okay, bro. Where on earth is badge right now? Undefined. Why would you be undefined? Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. You two are just always in battle if we're talking donos, if we're talking predictions. It's an absolute battle. Thank you guys. Thank you for battling in my favor. Why didn't this work, guys? A 104. Thank you, bro. Thank you. It is a little rude. I don't know why I did that, to be honest. I'll take any amount of bits. I don't know why I did that. Perhaps it's working in my favor. Why isn't Badge coming back, guys? I don't understand. Come on, baby. This is the part where I break for you guys. All right, come on. What's going on here? Oh, duh. An absolute botch of a computer programmer sitting in front of you guys. An absolute cob job over here. Guys, see that teamwork? That teamwork? That's what we're looking for. You guys needed peace, not war. You both donated together from Akira's bank account. That is the teamwork we're looking for, guys. That is the teamwork we've needed. Thank you, Akira, for your support, my friend. All right, guys, it's gonna work. In honor of Akira extending the olive branch, I'm gonna show it working. That was a sizzling fire noise. In case you couldn't tell. Oh my goodness. I can't believe you wouldn't understand the feeling of you two dueling it out to my benefit. It's the greatest feeling of all time. Thank you guys for your contributions. I greatly appreciate it. No, you guys did make peace. You did make peace. He said go team. He said go team. No more. Oh god. He said go team. He said go team. He said go team. What do I know? I'm just a struggling programmer. What do I know? Not much. You do need the trains. The trains are great. The trains are great. I think everyone could agree with the trains are great. The golden trains. Guys, this is going to be fun picking the background colors. It's going to be fun picking the background colors. What does get body want? User is current user. Okay. Guys, what background do we use? where ID equals 61, 7. Update, where update, set background. Okay, let's just see if that worked. Let's just see if it worked. Why didn't it work? Green. Why isn't it working? I was on the wrong tier. Okay. So here we go. I don't know what ID it needs to be. Blue. 6, try. Damn it. 8. 8. Okay. Let's try to find a sick ass color, guys. Guys, give me a hex code. Give me a hex code. We need a sick ass color. Toxic Toast for TV. Unbelievable. Appreciate that, Mono. You're thinking darker? I was going to say that's kind of an odd one. Oh, no, that ain't it. F3 D 6 A2 hype train, absolute success, guys. Thank you so much for that all your contributions in your battles. Well, I don't think V's a valid color. Thank you guys for that. We're doomed. You 3 5 1 6 4D. Here we go. Here we go. Pretty good. Pretty good, dude. Pretty good. Like pretty damn good. How'd you come up with that color? You're gonna have to cook some more here. I'm trying to come up with the formula. How's that look? That looks a little better, right? I'm trying to come up with a formula. So my computer, Windows, Power Toys, has a color picker. So my strategy is grab a color from the color picker, and it gives a range of similar options. I'm grabbing the second to darkest. So let's try another one. How do I select star from user property where value equals 61. Damn. Oh, it's not property anymore. It's habit streak. I keep forgetting I migrated it. Or streak equals 6-1. Update. Here, I'm gonna mess with your data for a bit. Three, 1, 2. 50. So if I set that to 50 and I pop back in here, we're back to green. And this should be ID 7. So if I change this quick, perfect. That's actually kind of sick. But here's my thought. Ready? Watch. Wish me luck, dude. Wish me luck. Let's see if this strategy works. So I'm trying the formula of I'm just trying the formula. Here we go. He makes it lower. Absolutely crushed. That's the formula. That's the formula. That's the formula right there. Am I right? Watch. 60. I got the formula. Watch. Watch. Let's make it 40. Let's make it 40. Let's make it 40. Let's test the formula. Oh my God. Okay, guys, let's test the formula. Let's test the formula. Let's see if I got the absolute formula. Formula's kind of failing me on this one. I thought I had the formula, guys. I thought I had the formula. We're going to trust the process. But when I say trust, I mean we have zero confidence in this one. But we're just going to try it. See, too dark. Come on, man. Why'd you go so dark on me? Okay, okay. It's trying to apologize. It's trying to apologize. It's trying to apologize. I mean, pretty good. Pretty good. Maybe not perfect, but pretty good. Am I right? We can micro fine tune it. We can micro fine tune it later. So there's green. There's blue. Yes, I do use cappuccino. There's purple. 7. 9. Dude, we need somebody to come up with these for me. Like someone who actually knows art or like graphics or something. There's got to be do we need Strong to do it? Let's be honest. We need Strong to do this. That dude's an absolute guru when it comes to this stuff. Failed me there. But hold on. Trust the process. Trust the process. Color picker. Trust the process, guys. Hold on, Triz. I got you. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Again, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. The thing is, I think there are colors out there that could make this beautiful. Ooh. Ooh. It's a little too pastel. It's a little too pastel. Clashes with the clashes. Clashes. I think it's got to be that. Okay, let's try this one. We're just trying to get preliminary values in here. We can micro tune them later. I don't I think they can be different colors. I don't think they have to be I don't think they have to be the same color. I think they could be totally different colors. Like there could be like an opposite color that really works well or something like that. Yeah, we're gonna have to have someone help us because I don't freaking know. We got the basics. Like we can change this all day long. You know what I mean? Okay, well that's 30, then what's 20? What? What the hell? I screwed up. I screwed up. I screwed up. I screwed it all up. We need an admin panel yesterday. These queries are not working. I screwed it all up. The airplane mode. Okay. Guys, this is where I sign off. This is where I sign off. I don't have the mental capacity to start writing hand queries again. I just don't right now. Tomorrow's another day. I'm going to hang out with the fam. In all seriousness, we absolutely cooked this entire update. This entire update has been cooked. We are data driving badges and streak widget data, including background colors. So the front end code is done. The front end code is done. The back end code, done. It's all database queries now. That's it. That's it. So let's go do a raid here. Keep your message in mind. You need to set a border. I don't love the border idea, but I obviously can't come up with a good option, so maybe I got to start thinking outside the box. Guys, I'm going to drop us off in a great channel. A great member of the community. He's doing a co-working stream, so If you're coding, say what's up to this guy. If you're not, say what's up either way. Yaroon, he's our guy. So say what's up to him. I'm out, guys. Going to hang with the fam. Amazing session today. More updates to come. Tomorrow, same time, same place. Thanks for everything, guys. Take care, my friends. Peace.